Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Essa. So in today's video I want to show you, why do I keep on saying show you? I want to share with you how to get noticed on YouTube, more so if you're a small YouTuber like me. We know that creating content is one thing, but getting views is another thing. So if you want to know how to get noticed, start getting subscribers, start getting views, and yeah, continue watching. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, can you consider subscribing? Comment down below, let me know. Let me know if you're enjoying this video. Give it a big thumbs up. So let's get into the video. Tip number one, if you want to get noticed here on YouTube, mostly for small YouTubers, if you're a big YouTuber, you don't need to get noticed. You upload a video today, after 2 hours it has 10,000 views, so you're already a popular YouTuber. So this video is for upcoming YouTubers and small YouTubers. So my first point or my first tip of how you can get noticed on YouTube as a small YouTuber is be unique in your niche. Be unique in your niche. And sometimes when I say be unique in your niche, some people even don't have a niche. They just upload. Today they upload vlogs, tomorrow they upload tutorials, the other day they upload cooking videos, they upload fitness, they're all over the place. As a small YouTuber, you need to be specific on what you're doing. You need to be specific on the niche that you are in, and you need to be unique. Yes, vlogging is good, don't get me wrong, but so many YouTubers are vlogging and they are getting thousands and thousands of views. So let's say if you say a day with me, that's a vlog. How many videos are being uploaded every day, like a day with me? So to get noticed, it will be so hard to get noticed, because you have targeted a very populated niche, and to get noticed it will be hard. So be unique. You can narrow down on a niche, then after now you have some subscribers, you're getting views, you're getting noticed. Now you can try to now bring other things that you love, but I can suggest that you be unique when you're starting. Look for a niche. If you love cooking videos, cook. Don't upload a day, like a day with me vlogs. Don't upload you shopping. Just upload food videos until now you get noticed, you get views, you get subscribers, and then you can graduate to something else. Am I making sense? I hope I'm making sense. So the first tip is be unique in your niche. Okay. Be unique in your niche. So the second tip is post consistent. This one you won't evade. Like, post consistent, at least upload 2 to 3 times a week. Consistent is the key on YouTube. I have seen, let me tell you, last year 2019, from January to August, I didn't upload anything on my channel, and that really hurt my channel so bad, because I was not getting views, I was not getting subscribers, even though my channel is so, like, people were asking me what happened. I didn't upload content for so long until I realized that I have messed and I need to come back. So it's not like, if you want to get noticed, kindly don't post one video today and then after 2 weeks now you're coming back and then you're trying to explain, guys, this is where I was. You're trying to explain, always is excuses. People will get tired with you. So my point to you is that you need to be consistent with your uploads, and kindly tell people when to expect new videos from you. If you choose to upload every Monday, let it be every Monday, maybe. And I have told you can't get noticed when you're posting just once a week. At least 2 times, 3 times, it's good, you'll get noticed. So if you choose maybe Monday and Wednesdays, or Monday and Friday, and even choose a time to post. Like for me, I upload Monday to Friday from every day from 9 a.m. you'll find a new upload on my channel. So I have tried to be consistent. Sometimes I miss to upload mostly on Fridays, but I have been consistent. If I don't upload, there must be something that made me not to upload, but I can't just abandon my content like that. So guys, I think that's number 2 tip. Be consistent, upload often, and yeah, you're good to go. You get noticed. People will start commenting on your videos. They'll start saying, oh, I love you're consistent. Oh, I'm so happy I can find content to watch. Oh, you get those comments, and most of the times they are not your friends, like physical friends. They're your online friends. So these people have trusted you. You will be providing new content every day. You know what I mean? Like, you need to be consistent, guys. That's my tip. Number 2, be consistent. Upload so often, don't upload once. Tip number 3, always give valuable content. To get noticed, if someone is watching you for the first time, you need to be saying something valuable so that person can subscribe or can give you at least 4 minutes to watch. Because remember, this person came to YouTube to look for something, and you're trying to distract. Do you know, like, the way you log into your YouTube account and then there are suggested videos? Like, it happens to me. So most times it happens to me. If it happens to you, comment down below. Like, you want to watch something, and you have like focused, I want to watch something. Then you get into YouTube, and then suggestions, they just divert you. Whatever you wanted to watch, you end up taking 3 hours watching other content. And that's how YouTube algorithm works. They suggest good videos, and they suggest videos that are valuable. If they know this content, if they suggest to Esmo Fashion, she will watch until the end. It's valuable. Most probably they will suggest it to me, and whatever I wanted to watch, maybe I wanted to watch a music video or entertainment stuff or vlog, they will bring, like, I get educational content on my suggestion. And even if I had planned that 1 hour I wanted just to watch an entertainment video, I end up taking 3 hours just watching informational and valuable. And I'm not saying entertainment is bad, but even if it is entertainment, know how you are bringing value to your followers or to your viewers. Let me just give you a tip. If you do vlogs, if you do like vlogs, like daily vlogs, or you want to show us your life, like, it can be educational as much as it is entertaining. I would want to see, after I watch your vlog, I have learned something. Like, you can tell us, like, a day with me, this is where I get this good stuff, this is what I do, I can recommend this. At the end of the day, even if I have been entertained, I have gotten something. I hope you're getting that point. I'm not saying like we don't value entertainment content. All I'm saying, even if it's entertainment, put value in that entertainment content, so that by the end of the day, when you deliver the content to your viewers, it will be valuable, and they won't feel like they are wasting their time watching you. So watch on that. Produce valuable content. Make sure if you are giving 5 minutes, make sure at least 4 minutes. It will be so valuable to that person who is watching that content. Okay. So my last tip is number 4. I had only 4 tips to give you on how to get noticed. My 4th tip, and I'm working on this so much, is have a signature look. You know, if you don't know, by the way, I'm a self-taught image and brand consultant. Yes. I'm a self-taught. I'll be speaking on that in later days. I will be creating content on that. I'm an image and brand consultant, self-taught. Like, I went online and did the study and self-taught, you know what I mean. So having a signature look, it really helps, guys. It really helps, and I'm really working on that. Like, these guys, if let's say, for example, if you watch a video today and this guy has this funny hairstyle, and that's his signature look, I'm so sure if you watch another video, you will remember. By the way, I have never watched this guy somewhere. Or if you watch a lady, maybe there's a way she puts on her hair, maybe she loves wigs and she loves colored wigs. Today she has pink, tomorrow she has purple, blue, what? That's a signature look, and people will identify with your signature look and you will stand out because you don't want boring people on YouTube. So what I'm trying to say, have a signature look. I'm not there yet. I'm not saying I'm perfect. Actually, I'm preaching to myself. Like, all these points I'm telling you at the same time I'm saying, you need to check on that. Like, you need to work on your points. Like, I'm still learning. I'm in the learning process, and I think number 4 tip, I'm supposed to have a signature look. I love wigs, and sometimes I love, I don't know, even the outfit that you wear, the way you edit, be unique, have a signature. Like the way you edit, the way you present your videos, the way you talk, the introduction, the way you tell people, have a signature look. People won't forget you. There are some YouTubers that he love, like Jackie. You see, like when she's doing an introduction, I'm always like, who else do I love has a signature? There are people who have a signature, like the Ace family, the way they sing that song, we sing along. Who else have a signature? Like, there are people who have a signature, and the time you're like watching them, you know, I'm good, like I'm good. So guys, that's the 4th tip. If you're a small YouTuber, you're upcoming, you want to create content and you want to get noticed, if you love fashion, be dressing up when you're doing those videos. If you love makeup, do bold looks because people will identify with your looks. If you love vlogs, I don't know what you can do, but try to look for that signature look, and you will tell me, like, it will be a way changer. You'll get noticed. So guys, I just felt I want to share with you. It's not like I'm there up, I'm just starting, like following my tips, and I have seen them work, and that's why I want to share with you them with you. So guys, I think those are my 4 tips. Comment down below, let me know what you think. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing. Subscribe to this channel. What else? Subscribe to this channel, give this video a big thumbs up. I'll be creating content relating with YouTube because I just got monetized, and I can't stop saying I got monetized. So if you have not watched my 2 videos about monetization and about how to get 4,000 hours watch time, I will link them here up there. You can watch those videos, and then the whole of this week I'll just give you educational content on how to grow your YouTube channel. So see you tomorrow with a new video. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye bye. Love you.